Alright guys, found another deal at Lowe's. They got the Cobalt 40 volt trimmer and blower combo. Was $269 down to $134.47. You're gonna get the high capacity 4 amp hour battery, 13-inch max cut path with the string trimmer, and then 350 CFM with the blower. All right now at the Lowe's for $134.47. A couple more clearance deals I found. This is the Cobalt 24 volt area light. This is the bare tool, was $69 down to $41.37. So that's what it looks like. Little work light there. Max lumens is 1,000. So little work light there by Cobalt. And then down here they got the Cobalt Bluetooth speaker. That was $79 down to $47.37. So I got the little Bluetooth speaker here. If I can get this out. So 30-foot range, pretty small. Also charges your devices. But nothing crazy, but decent for a job site, garage, something like that. Right next to that, they got the DeWalt Bluetooth speaker for $99. That's been $99 for a little while now. And then they got the Craftsman Spotlight, was $59 down to $47.17. This is the tool only. This one's 2,500 lumens, so a little bit brighter than the Cobalt work light. Looks like they got the Metabo 18 volt 2-piece combo with triple hammer. This was $249. This was $249 down to $199.17. So with this one, you're gonna get the hammer drill and then the impact, 2 3.0 amp hour batteries, charger in a bag, 1832 torque on the impact, 620 on the hammer drill. So a little discount on that, $199.17. New lower price on the Stinger 10-piece drill bit set, $10 off on that. Pretty much universal bit for wood, metal, stainless steel. It's a nice little set there for $29.98. They also dropped the price on the 7-inch diamond blade 2-count. Was $39.98 down to $29.98. So there's the 7-inch universal cutoff wheel, and then they got the 10-inch 40 tooth 2-count, was $49 down to $34. So lowered the prices on those. Looks like they're clearancing out all the Crescent Apex. They got this, was $19.98 down to $15.97. And over here they got the 18-piece bit set. That was $9.98 down to $7.97. Got the wing twist here, 300 pack. Clearancing this out, $16.88 down to $7.47. Not bad for 300 count. They got the safety vests clearanced out from $19.97 down to $5.97. So that's the Coast brand there. They got the 12-inch 1,000 pound bar clamp. This is a 3-piece. This was $39.98, $10 off on this, $29.98. These are nice clamps. Pretty much got it the same price for the 5-pack. Here's a good deal. They got the Skill 30-piece router bit set. This was $109. They got it down to $69.98. So nice little setup there for some router bits. Pretty much everything that you're gonna need for any routering. But pretty huge discount on that, from $109 down to $69.98. So here they got the Bosch 40-piece drive bit set. This was $14.98, clearanced out to $9.87. I actually picked one of these up last year, and I actually really like it. Got all your bits in there, everything that you're gonna need, magnetic, and then it comes in a nice little carry case. So a nice little discount on that Bosch kit. On the end cap here, I've seen these DeWalt. It's an 8-piece breakaway recip set. This was $19.98, clearance out to $11.97. So pretty good discount on these. Never used these before, so any guys that might have used these before, comment down below, let me know how they work. But pretty good deal there. You get 8-piece set, clearanced out for $11.97. Another deal I seen was this Ego 56 volt leaf blower. This is 530 CFM, 110 mile per hour. But they got this clearance out down to $102. Looks like they got the Ego 56 volt, 600 CFM, 145 mile per hour leaf blower. This was $399 down to $319.17. Battery and charger included with this. So nice little discount on the Ego. I also seen this Boland's 25cc 2-cycle trimmer. This is $119 down to $47.57, so nice discount on that. It is a straight shaft, bump head, line release, 2-cycle trimmer. BL160 was the model number, but they got all the way down to $47.57. Looks like they got the Masterbuilt fryer, boiler, and steamer. Clearanced out was $129 down to $70.77. It's a nice little pickup there. Also seen these mechanic gloves on the end cap here. These are the fast fit gloves. This is in a large, but it was $16.98 regularly. Clearanced out down to $417. And then they had the same thing over here. These are mediums and they're a little bit more expensive, but they were $677. So both pretty good clearance deals, different sizes. Looks like they got the Impact by Mechanics gloves too. These are $13.49. They were $26.98. These are in medium. So I'm not sure if they got other ones here that are discounted. These are just ones hanging off the end cap here. So looking at these other ones, it looks like the other one's still the same price. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this one. Just a quick update at Lowe's. I kind of want to do a weekly thing with this because I know usually around this time they do a lot of good deals as far as trying to get stuff out, clearancing it out, or sales. So I want to keep popping in here at least once a week just to see if anything's changed. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash that like button, comment down below. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you on the next one.